Yeah, it's me. It's your boy Lil H. I'm back on YouTube. I wonder. I'm asking everybody out there who been liking my videos and everything, and liking my songs, my raps or whatever y'all want to call it. But thanks for liking it and everything. Please keep subscribing on my YouTube channel. I need more support. I got 10 subscribers right now. That is awesome. That's more subscribers than I got in years. But now that I'm in the rap game, I want everybody to do that. Now that everybody knows that I'm in the rap game, I want everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everybody to tell people who I am. Let them know what I do. Check me out. You know, check me out. Don't check nobody else out there. I'm saying they could do their own thing, but it's me. I'm trying to do for my family, my people. You know, as that man Stephen Joel, Haiti. I'm from Haiti too. You feel me? I'm not from Haiti, but my people's Haitian. My mom always complaining about that she doesn't have any money and it's hard out there. So I'm trying to make it easy for me. So everybody out there who supporting me, keep supporting me and everything. I really appreciate it. And yeah, just keep doing what y'all do. Let them people know who I am. Follow me on Twitter, @Vulture. And like my YouTube channel, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, like my fan page, post anything you want, you feel me? Give me any questions, just do anything you want. And then if you want to contact me, I'm at herold102@yahoo.com, HEROLD107 And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna remake my headlines by who made Drake, but it's only me with the beat. And tell me if y'all let me know if I killed it. And if I did, y'all like it, and then let other people hear it. Put it on your wall on Facebook and let them people know. That's how y'all get people to know me. Just put it on your wall, and then when I put it on your wall, other people be able to see. They'll comment, and then they'll put how they like it and everything, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. I just let them people know who I am, and basically I'm just trying. You feel me? I'm just trying to make it out there, trying to be the next on top, like with them peoples up there, you feel me? But yeah, it's getting kind of hard, but hopefully it'll work out and everything. Well, yeah, it's your boy That H Kid, aka Lil H, and I'm going out. Peace out. Don't forget what I told y'all. Peace.